First, let's talk about what 3D printing is and how it works. 3D printing is a process of creating a physical object from a digital model by building it up layer by layer. A 3D printer reads a digital file, usually in the form of an STL or an OBJ file, and creates the object by depositing material such as plastic or even metal in a precise pattern. There are many different types of 3D printers available, ranging from consumer-grade models to professional-grade machines. Consider your budget, the materials you want to use, and the size and complexity of the objects you want to print when selecting a 3D printer. Now it's time to set up your 3D printer. Follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to assemble and set up your 3D printer. This may include installing the print bed, loading the filament, and then calibrating the printer. To 3D print an object, you will need a digital model of the object. You can either create your own model using a 3D modeling software or download a pre-made model from a 3D model library. Once you have your digital model and your 3D printer ready, it's time to prepare the model for printing. This process is called slicing, and it involves converting the model into G-code that the 3D printer can understand. You can use a slicing software such as Prusa Slicer, Cura, or Slicer to do this. The slicing software will also allow you to adjust the print settings such as the layer height and the infill pattern. Once your 3D printer is set up and your model is prepared, you can start the print. Select the print button on the printer and follow the prompts to begin the print. It is a good idea to keep an eye on the print as it progresses to ensure that it is going smoothly. If you encounter any issues such as the filament getting stuck or the print quality being poor, you may need to troubleshoot and make adjustments and restart the print. Once the print is complete, you will need to remove the object from the print bed and clean up any excess material. Depending on the material and the quality of the print, you may need to do some additional post-processing, such as sanding or painting. And that's about it. With these basic steps, you should be able to get started with 3D printing. Remember to be patient and don't be afraid to ask for help or seek out online resources if you encounter any issues. Thanks for watching and happy printing.